Hello again, it's Kevin here at Techno Prospects with another tech tip video. Today we're going to talk about how to properly mount the installation brackets onto a high voltage tank for a Siemens Sensation system. So with the installation kit that comes in the crate with your purchase, you get two installation brackets, one for each side. One important note to always remember is the hooking part needs to go towards the center of the gantry, so it's the narrower part of the HV tank. And we'll show how to mount these on, they go right here. So inside your enclosed hardware bag, you'll get some narrower screws and some wider screws. The bigger screws are for installing it in the system. These narrower screws is what hook the installation bracket on. So what you do is you line it up where these threaded inserts are. One key important to make sure thing is to make sure these holes here are still accessible, because once you, I'm going to finger tighten these on right now. Once you have these in there, started to align it, now once you lift it in the system, the bracket's still attached. You still need to be able to access these so you can take the tank out of the system. And again, remember to always have the bracket facing the inside bore of the gantry. To view more tech tips like this, please see our resources page.